Hey people, and welcome back to another episode of Eat with Vivek. In today's episode of Value for Your Money show, I visited Bucket Biryani. Wow, Bucket Biryani, it's so soon, it's time for another biryani video. Nope, but that biryani video is coming very soon. Today in Bucket Biryani, I purchased a 2-piece fried chicken. Yes, they do a 2-piece fried chicken, and guess what they call it? They call it the BFC, Bucket Biryani Fried Chicken, I guess. So let's get on to the show. So here it is, the Bucket Biryani Fried Chicken. If you buy a larger portion, they really do serve it in a bucket. I've had it, so I know it. Because it's a 2-piece chicken, they gave it to me wrapped in a piece of foil. And when it's a whole bucket, they do give you the mayo for free. But because it was a 2-piece chicken, I had to pay 20 rupees for this. But let me tell you, this mayo does make a very big difference. This makes a very big difference the way this chicken tastes. If you remember, in the very first biryani video I made, I told you I fell in love with the brinjal gravy of one place, and that one place is the Bucket Biryani. Oh, I was so tempted today just to buy a biryani and bring in that brinjal curry just to show you. But then again, it's tradition here. Only after I finish a series will I buy a plate of biryani. That biryani is a reward for me for finishing this series. So just like I told you, for biryani, it's the brinjal gravy. And for this chicken, it is this box of mayo. This box of mayo makes things taste so much better. It's a garlic mayo. Now let's get on to the show. They call this the crispy crunchy fried chicken. What is the difference between that crispy chicken and crispy crunchy fried chicken? Let me just get it up close and personal to you. Can you see this really red portion over here? This is an extra added spice they add to their chicken, and they charge you 10 rupees extra per piece. If not, this is 49 rupees per piece. When they add this, it is 59 per piece. So I paid 120 together for these 2 pieces. And like always, let's weigh it in. And so the official weigh-in of these 2 pieces from Bucket Biryani is, again, just like Empire, this place also serves you 170 grams of chicken for a 2-piece fried chicken. But this place they charge you 10 rupees lesser than what Empire does. Now let's taste, and then let me try telling you which place was better. Because till now, the top 3 that I've had in the previous 3 videos, all have tasted good. Each one, especially the Empire chicken. No. The Empire crispy fried fish, that was really nice. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it on top. And let's get into demolition mode. So it's these 2 pieces of chicken and the mayo. Let me open up the mayo. Ooh, this mayo. Ooh, this mayo smells good. It's a garlic mayo. I love this mayo. This mayo makes this chicken taste so much more better than it probably would all by itself. This series is all about the chicken. So first, I'm just going to take a bite of the chicken as it is. I can't make out what piece this is. I think mostly it's the breast piece. I broke this piece, and there's a very heavy layer of coating on this chicken. I broke this big chunk away, and still I don't see no meat. If this is the fried skin, guess what? I really do love this too. The coating does not have a very strong taste. All I can taste is a heavy chili flavor in it. And now for the official first bite. Let me hope that I get a little bit of meat in this bite at least. Each place is different. Let me tell you, The meat is juicy. You can see the juices. This meat is juicy. It's the brown meat portion of the chicken, so I guess this is the thigh. And like I was telling you, each place makes it different. The KFC chicken, the meat, the coating, both tasted good. The 5-star chicken, the meat tasted good. The coating tasted even more better. The KFC chicken, all I could see was it was a very basic marination of the chicken and the coating, but it did taste good too. But the fish stole the show in that video. This place, the coating did not have much of a taste, but the meat, believe me, the meat really does have a wonderful flavor to it. This chicken, let me just show you again. Can you see the juices oozing out? Oh, it looks so good and it tastes even better. They have tried to replicate only, and I say only, the looks of the fried chicken. The flavor profile of this chicken is really damn good. And with the mayo, it takes it all the way to another level. I always tell people, a really good dish does not need a dip, does not need a gravy, does not need any kind of sides. But at times, I'm being proven wrong again and again by Bucket Biryani. One is that brinjal gravy with the biryani, and two is this mayo they serve with their chicken. The flavor profile of this chicken resonates somewhere along the lines of a tandoori chicken and a chicken kebab. And when I say chicken kebab, I mean the chicken kebab that we Bangaloreans are used to. The piece of chicken that is oil fried, that is red colored and tastes heavenly along with the ghee rice. Yes, this does have a flavor profile of that chicken along with a tandoori chicken, but it is made to look like a crispy fried chicken. And guess what? I love it. If you like to watch more content like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't seen any of the previous videos, I'll share a link right on top. And I'll also share a link in the description box. You can watch it after watching this video. I don't know what piece this is. This piece looks like it came somewhere from very close by to the breast piece. I can't exactly call this the wing. I can't exactly call this the breast. But then again, chicken is chicken. Let's bite into this. The garlic flavor from the mayo and all the flavor from this chicken, oh my god. No, I just saw this chicken break and a little bit of juice oozing out. I fell in love all again with this chicken. And I just forgot what I was saying. Let me get back to it. The garlic flavor from the mayo, all the flavor profile from this chicken. It is really heavenly. If you haven't tried this Bucket Biryani fried chicken, or like they call it, the BFC, you got to try it. This again is a big chunk of just the coating. I seem to have finished the meat without even noticing it. It was that damn tasty. I don't know if I did justice by talking much about this or not, because I was lost in the taste. So I'll catch you tomorrow with another piece of fried chicken. I don't know if they give me any accompaniment like this, but if they do, I'll make sure to try it out. And if it's ketchup, I won't. So I'll catch you tomorrow with another episode of Eat with Vivek. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos, I'll share the link on top. Make sure to watch them. Thank you, love you, take care, and don't forget to subscribe.